So, you ever wondered what an outfitter does during a heat wave? Strap boats on without your shirt on, that's for one thing, because it's so damn hot. We got a call on the weekend from a group from Michigan, about 30 young kids, 12 to 13, and their leaders, looking for a last minute booking up on the French River. And we're just putting that all together for them. So, getting some boats together. We're going to head over to French River Supply Post to drop half the group off, and then another half the group off will go out of Wolseley Bay. They're going to cross in the middle, sort of thing. Nice 4-day trip, and we'll get them all set up. So stick around throughout the day, get some updates, and we'll share what we do on a daily basis around here.